Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this video is all about Fibonacci series. It's Fibonacci retracement. It's called because the retracement levels which we get from this Fibonacci retracement tool, right? So that will act as a support and resistant. This is a completely a technical analysis tool that you make useful, and the strict disclaimer is that whatever the things which I say in this video is completely for an educational purpose, and the investment what you do is your own risk, and profit and loss whatever you take, it's not my responsibility. And this tool is more success ratio, or the probable of success is on the higher time frame compared to the lower time frame. It's not only with this tool, and whatever the technical indicators you use or any tools what you are using, that will give you high probability or success rate only on the higher time frame, whereas in the lower time frame it gives you some false signals or it may not work correctly. Okay, so that's one thing. So who can use this tool, and why I am using this tool, and for what purpose I am using this tool? Okay, first is technical analysis. Even we can have the support and resistant lines, right? So we used to call this as horizontal support and resistant. The price is reacted two times here, and it took support here and it gone, right? So this is a resistant and then turns into a support, and it has been moving upside. So this is very easy, and most people would have done it. And even see, I can mark it here also. This is a one more resistant level, and you can see the retracement here, and it went back. So it may not be exactly at this level, but somehow it is retested and it went. Like, we need to change it to weekly or daily time frame to understand why this level has been reacted. So this is our normal technical analysis. So retracement is something you need to know where some people might be not knowing where to invest in the uptrend. Okay, for example, this HDFC life insurance, you can say, okay, like it is on monthly time frame. Okay, so it is keep on going and you see a reversal here. Okay, so but you might not be knowing where you need to uh, buy or not, whether you need to buy or not. Okay, because people would think if you buy and it further comes down, you will be in the loss. Some people would might be thinking buying it this time is the right time, because like if market goes up, they will be getting some good amount. So what happens when market reverses, the people who have invested their money at this place would have given them loss, and people who like invested at this place, when it goes market, for example, let me take after this crash. Okay, people are seeing a reversal here. What people there, some people might be waiting for further it comes down, but see, it got reversed from this place. There are two examples, I can show it here itself. So how you can avoid this, and it's not completely no one can predict what is the top or bottom of the market. Okay, the crashes it comes or the uptrend it moves, no one can predict how long it will go and where it get reverses. So for that purpose, we are using this Fibonacci retracement tool. Let me show the tool. Like on the left side, if you click here, you will get this Fibonacci retracement tool. From where we need to draw this on the uptrend. Okay, it starts from here, right? The swing low, and even we can start from here. This is a swing low here, so I will start from here to here. Okay, if you see here, like market after once you see a reversal, you need to draw this, or else like no need to draw this until you see a reversal sign. You can draw this from the previous swing low to this level, and you need to invest at each levels and diversify your investment. The diversify, what I mean is, like, sorry, divide your investment. So already you need to actually diversify between the stocks. You cannot put all capital into a one basket. And also the capital you are allocated to this specific stock could be further divided into multiple levels. Okay, so for example, a few, like 25 percentage of your capital that is allocated for this specific instrument, you can invest at 23.60. Okay, and further it comes down, you can invest at 38.20, and further 50 level. At the most scenario, 50 level would not be breached, and in some bad cases like Corona or some other crashes, it comes further down and it even goes down. Okay, so it is very rare scenario, and most of the stocks would have recovered from the 50 percentage of fall whenever the crashes happens. But in the corona, it's exceptional, but whereas most of the stocks, it comes to 50 percentage of retracement and it goes up. So this is how you can divide your money what you are going to invest, so that you will not be missing out, fear of missing out is something, right? So for example, let me, this scenario actually you can invest it, splitting your money, and you can invest, and when markets start reversing, okay, so you could see some sort of improvement in your portfolio when it market goes up further. Okay, so this is one kind. So people they need patience definitely for handling this situation. Okay, this is one scenario, and let me try to draw another case. So from here, you could see the reversal, right? This could not be a reversal because it's, we can consider this already a resistant here, and we can see a reversal here. Okay, and if you see this point, it goes here, and you are seeing a red candle, and you are seeing another red candle, and it reaches to 26.60, right? So you need to invest at this point a few chunk of amount, and you would easily get how much percentage. Let me move this. See, 20 percentage of profit is easy, right? So within a span of 3 months or 4 months, you got 20 percentage of amount what you have invested, and even you will not be having a fear like missing out, because but still you will be having a fund that is ideal, but it's a safer thing. You no need to invest completely into a single place, and that too on the yearly levels you no need to invest, and as long as you market comes down, you can invest the money what you have allocated for the specific stock. So this is how you need to do, and the target is it is pretty much easy. So whatever the level you invested, the next level would be the target. So some cases, if you have invested at 61.80, okay, so instead of taking out the complete target, you can just take out a small amount of quantity out of the complete, like, full portfolio, so that you can divide and you can come out of the stock. And in some cases, like for example 23.60 I'm investing now, I will be having very less quantity, so I could be able to come out at this place, or I can trial my trailing stop loss to some levels based on the weekly or daily support and resistance. You can just have the trial your profit. So it's up to a risk appetite. Each and everyone might be differing on that. So that's all about the target, and let me show one more example for this. So this is how you need to use the Fibonacci levels. Okay, so you need to combine this with what you can say, any of the technical indicator. It could be a normal support and resistance, or moving average, or CPR, Camarilla, whatever it could be. You can combine with any one of the indicators or any technical analysis, and make, like, you can combine and you can get a better probability of the trades. Okay, so this Hero MotoCup, okay, you could see this lines I have drawn. This is a simple support and resistance. This is a resistant line, and it turns to support and turns to support here again, and then it breached and it went above this level. Okay, now what I could expect is, I'm seeing a complete uptrend here. I will not be able to invest. Okay, I'm seeing a reversal at this point, right? Let me draw from here to here. Okay, so when it is an uptrend, like for the longs, you need to draw it from the previous low to the top high. Okay, swing high. So if you see this 23.60 is the first level, you could invest some chunk of amount, and 38, and even if you see this 50, right, 50 level, I could see one more support in the daily time frame. I will show that. But whereas 68 1.8 as another support level that is coinciding with us, like the normal support and resistance to what I draw, right? So that is actually coinciding with this level. So these are all the things which I wanted to say. This is very strong levels, you could say, the high probability of getting reversal. So like for example, if you see here the 50 level, right, which I marked, let me convert it to weekly. On the weekly, if you see, this is resistant line, right? this act as a resistance. So what I thought is, okay, market could turn from this place, but when I checked this candle, it's completely a bearish candle, red candle, so I couldn't see any reversals in signs here, so I didn't invested anything. So I'm waiting for this level, that is 61.80, to invest a small quantity, like small chunk of amount that is allocated for Eero, and then if it further falls, I could invest further more. Okay, so this is how we need to invest, because like it's very hard to find the top and bottom. Okay, so how we can do is we need to divide the money into a different support and resistance level, and we need to invest at the right place, so that we will not be missing the opportunity, and then also we will not be having our more risk into the place. Because if you invest full amount at the top, okay, so market comes down, it gives you more loss. If you see your portfolio, like, then you will lose your patient, and you will sell, and you will come out of the trade. So don't invest at those places. If you even see this, I just picked it randomly. So Bajaj Auto. So this is actually a good level. If I want to say, see, this is this complete level, right? So if you see from 32922, this level is good. Uh, so this is one resistant, and this is one more resistant. Okay, so this actually turned into support here, and it again breached here. It didn't respect this level. So this is how the market is. It doesn't mean that everything works always. Okay, so there are cases where it may not work, so we need to prepare for those as well. So how you can prepare this, you need to learn other technical analysis components, like candlestick analysis. If you see, the people would have marked support here, and at the month of April it came here, and if you see the candlestick, it gives a clear signal of reversal, but here we are not seeing any clear signal. And even if you see here, the candlestick is not supporting anything. So what you can do is, it's not about, if I draw a Fibonacci level, okay, let me draw it from here to this. Okay, Fibonacci retracement, if you see, this level is acted little, but it didn't go up and then further fall down. And did any level matching with this zones? See, this 38.20 is actually matching, but if you see, there is no sign of reversal. So these levels you can take your own decision, no need to invest unless you are seeing any reversal signs. And at the 50 level you could see this resistant, so let me mark this as well, 50, and you could see a sign of reversal, right? So what I can do is, I will check whether I'm getting any kind of reversal candlestick here, and if I found something, I can invest some amount here, and then followed by 61.8. Even 61.8, there is a level, we can mark it as horizontal. See, if I take out this Fibonacci series, see, this is a simple, like, this is how the beauty, like, for Fibonacci series that matches with the normal support and resistant, that gives you better clarity, and you can decide on whether you need to buy or not based on the candlestick pattern what you are getting at that place. So this is how you need to use. And I think most of the stocks are coming down, and it has retraced at the level of 50 percentage. List out those quality stocks and invest at the right place, so that you will not be missing this opportunity. Because I have missed this corona crash really bad, because like most of the stocks would have given more than 300-500 percentage. I really missed out those stocks, and I was actually concentrating on intraday strategies, and I missed out those opportunity. So even though you are doing intraday, this could be the right time for the doing the investment. And because the market has crashed much, so you can just invest few chunk of your money into this, the quality stocks what you feel like, based on the fundamental, the basic fundamental analysis you do. So take few stocks and do invest in those, so that you will be getting a good returns. Because even I wouldn't I expect like this much of returns would come from the investment. See this, of course 2020 is, we can't compare with any of the bull run that has been done previously, but still, if you see this 146 percentage it has given, that is Bajaj Auto. So there are stocks, I think Tata Motors, it has given 300 plus percentage or something. Let me check it. So let me take the scale and see. See, it gives 60 percentage. So it has given it is very really bad, right? So how you can get this? You can't get it in intraday within this span of time. 600 percentage in the span of 2 years. Okay. So it's really bad to miss this opportunity. So that's why I came up with this Fibonacci series, so that I will not be missing out some opportunity, and also diversify among the support levels. That will give you much confident, and you need to be very patient to have those level reactors. See, this is also I have drawn. See, this is one of the swing low. Okay, I just drawn and I have seen this 23.60. If you see, just it reacted here, and let's check what percentage we got. See, we got around 13 percentage of profit, and within 4 or 5 days. So per month, if you get 4 percentage, that actually gives you 50 percentage per annum. That is very good return, and most of people couldn't get that. So I wouldn't say like I wouldn't say like everything will give you this much of profit. There are some stocks that might be turned against you, but still these many profits will actually compromise that losses, and you will be ending up with at least and on average 4 to 5 percentage. So make sure to invest at the right place, and don't invest your full capital into the single price. When you feel that that price, see this level, even if I need to take Tata Motors, this is one of the most important level, 358. Okay, so I will invest when prices comes to this level. Okay, and even I can invest at 23, 38, 50, but a larger amount of investment I will just allocate, and I will make use of that at this level. So because the support resistant level matches with this level 68, it cannot be exactly matches. Okay, so don't try to try it and see like it need to be matched exactly, but somehow it is nearing to this level, so I will invest. So that's how we need to do. And even there are some cases where you could see other support and resistant on the previous levels also. You can mark that as well if you see anything, but long as it is an higher time frame, it will be easy to mark the levels, and also to invest at the right place. So if you see, I couldn't able to mark this because this is a resistant, and it comes down, taken support. I'm not getting any right support and resistance here. Okay, you can do with these quality, the stocks are there, many things are there. You can do those levels and continue investing. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.